Welcome to ShortView Trading. This is your morning market hit for Friday, 26th of February. What matters today for traders? Well, the tone in markets really shifted yesterday with broad-based weakness across indices. Tech, though, remaining at the center of the pullback. You can see the Nasdaq 100, for example, closing down by over 3.5% and below its 50-day moving average, while some key tech stocks like Apple are breaking down, having trended lower since late January. Others teetering on a knife edge, like Amazon, which is close to testing its lows from September and November last year. And in some cases, of course, the price action was particularly troubling. Tesla was down by over 8% yesterday. It was one of the darling stocks of 2020, but increasingly looks like a bursting asset price bubble. But it wasn't just tech, it was also other areas of the equity market. You can see that cyclical sectors, having pushed out to new highs this week, they sharply reversed their gains yesterday. So the question is whether weakness in tech will spread and spill over into other parts of the equity market. We answer that in our daily trading publication available on our website, and in it we make a 1 to 2 week call, a recommendation on US equity market futures, a long or short recommendation, which is really driven by the signals, by the messaging we get from our short-term proprietary models. So we're watching those indicators very closely. We're also watching price action, which was troubling yesterday for the high beta parts of the market, with bearish key day reversal, for example, in the Russell 2000. That's when the index opens higher, makes a new intraday high, and then closes below the low of the prior day. We had that same price action in the Nasdaq banks, and usually that pattern signals a near-term change of direction. So where does that leave us? How should one trade this market? Really, we have to follow the signals we get from our short-term proprietary trading models. They give timely buy and sell signals. We're also, though, watching the behavior of treasury yields. They'll be key for the outlook for cyclical parts of the equity market, and you can see on our technical model, treasuries are oversold, they're due a bounce, suggesting that yields are close to making a local high. While again, if we look at the price of 10-year treasuries, they're close to technical support level at the 90-day moving average. So we're watching our models closely, we're watching the bond market. Also today, we get the US House of Representatives voting on Biden's fiscal stimulus package. There's also a G20 finance ministers meeting, and we get the personal income and spending numbers for January out of the US. That'll be watched closely. That was your morning market hit. Do follow us on YouTube, search under ShortView Trading. Join us on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Thanks for listening.